Now look at your example 1.12. Show that the equations are consistent and hence solve them. Now write the equations in the form matrix form. How to write? A matrix be the coefficient matrix. E 1 2 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 2. And then X matrix is the unknown X Y Z, and B matrix is your constant 5 4 1. Now you are going to write it in the form Ax is equal to B. Now argument matrix will be A and B combining and writing what it is 2 1 1 5 1 1 1 4 1 minus 1 2 1. Now you're going to find the rank of the A and rank of AB. First rank of A is here the rank the order is 2 by 2 sorry 3 by 3. The order of the matrix A matrix is 3 by 3, therefore the rank is also 3. If you do the determinant, find the determinant value, it is not equal to 0, so you will get that matrix rank as A matrix as 3. Similarly, find it, you are going to find only for AB, so you are going to transform only for AB. Since A is the same, your 3 by 4, A comma B is 3 by 4, that only you are going to change it to 3. That only you are going to find it now. Make it into 3 by 3, so that the rank should be 3. So how can you transform this 3 by 4 to 3 by 3 matrix? That is by elementary transformation you are going to do. That is making into the equivalent form. That is last two rows to be equal to zeros. One of the row to be non-zero, the remaining rows to be zeros. You are going to form it. For that, first you interchange the rows, row 1 and row 2 you interchange. So you want these two rows, row 2 and row 3 to be 0, is it not? For that, first you subtract here this 2 and 1. For that, interchange first to row 1 and row 2 interchange. So first row becomes 1 1 1 4, second row becomes 2 1 1 5, and then third row similarly write as it is. The second transformation, what you are going to do, subtract it to get this 0, row 2 as 0, row 2 minus 2 times row 1. That's what the transformation you are going to do. So it becomes, row 1 becomes 2 2 2 8. So if you subtract, what will get 0 minus 1 minus 1 3. Similarly, row 3 also you are going to subtract from row 1. Just 1 only is there, same only. So you can subtract and write it 0 only. 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 is minus 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So you got the transformation like this. Again you want this last row column element, this second column to be 0. Triangle element should get 0. No, this minus to make it 0. How to make it? So you interchange this, that is row 2 you have to subtract it. Here your row 2 element, before element is 1. So make it 2. That's multiplying the row 2 by 2. So you can transform this row 3 as row 3 minus 2 times row 2. So if you do that, you will get this answer. So first element, first row will be same 1 1 1 1 4. Second row also same 0 minus 1 minus 1 3. Third row alone you are going to change it to make it 0. This element as 0 to third row alone you are going to transform. So row 3 equal to row 3 minus 2 row 2. So 0 minus 0, minus 2 minus of minus 2, that is minus 2 plus 2, again 0, 3 minus of minus 2. So you will get 3, and then minus 3 minus of 3 into 2, 6. 2 times you are going to multiply, right? 3 into 2, 6, minus of minus 6 is plus 6, minus 3 plus 6 is 3. Here again 1 minus of minus plus 2, that is 1 plus 2 is 3, that one you are. So if you are taking any 3 row order 3 by 3, this either first 3 or the next 3 or the middle 3, hide it. So you will get the determinant value as non-zero determinant value. So order will be 3 by 3, the rank also 3. So rank of A and rank of AB also 3. Both are equal means they are consistency. So after proving the consistency, how to find the value? Solutions. What type of solution? Here the unknowns also 3, n is also 3. So both rank as well as the unknowns are equal means what you can say, the system has unique solution, one answer. So that you are going to find it x, y, z. For finding that x answer, you are going to choose this last form, equivalent form of the matrix. From the elementary matrix, this equivalent form you are going to choose it. So this 3 by 3 matrix you are going to take it. 1 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 0 3, that is your A matrix, and then your B matrix is 4 minus 3 3. That you are going to transform and find the x y z. You have to find the solve is given, no, find the answer x y z. So x plus y plus z is equal to 4. This first term x is 0. So minus y plus z equal to minus 3. First two terms is 0. So 3 into z. 3z is 3. From this z is equal to 1. So substitute z is equal to 1 in this second equation. Minus 1 is minus 3. Minus y is equal to minus 3. Or y is 2. Similarly, first equation x plus y plus z is 4. Is it not? So x plus y is 2. Z is 1. X plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Your x is 4 minus 3, 1. So you got the x as 1, y as 2, z as 1.